Hey everyone, Jonathan Kling here from Harbor College, and I am going to currently show you how to mute Pronto Conversations from within Canvas. So in the previous video, I showed you how to disable Pronto, but you might want to keep it enabled, just mute all incoming notifications. So if you want to do that, first you have to open up Pronto in Canvas. Next, this little square button right here will maximize Pronto, so you'll want to click on that. And once Pronto is maximized, you'll go over to the left side and you will find the course that you'd like to mute notifications for. And as I said, this will work for students as well as Canvas teachers. So let's say I want to mute whatever class I select. In the upper right hand corner, there are three dots. Click on those three dots. You can then go to notifications. Once you're at notifications, you can choose to snooze all notifications for a certain amount of time, or you can go down to mute. And if you click on mute, that means you will not receive any more notifications from that group. Hopefully this helps, and we'll see you soon.